The Freeland Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram again. I'm David Beasley, service manager. This is Mike Lewis. He is the service lane manager here. So this is our Tech Talk Tuesday, but we're not going to be talking about technology today or tech. We're actually going to be talking about sanitation because of the COVID-19 crisis that we're in. We are offering a free sanitation to any of our guests, or if you're just driving by and want to have your vehicle sanitized. The way that Mike just drive in, one of the consultants will come out and meet you at the vehicle. We'll write a repair order up and bring the vehicle around to the shop and have it sanitized.
Once we get to this point, what we're going to do is we're going to open the doors up. We're going to roll all the windows down so we get good ventilation through the vehicle. The guys are going to come out and they're going to mist everything with a sanitation spray. We're going to let it sit on for about 2 minutes is what it takes for it to activate and kill everything. And then we're going to wipe it all down. We're going to close it back up. We're going to bring your vehicle back out to you nice, fresh, and sanitized.
What this mist is doing is disinfecting the vehicle for any COVID-19 virus. The chemical can sit on the vehicle for a minute on any type of surface, and then one of the other staff members will go around with a microfiber towel and wipe down any residue that's left. There may be some residue left at that point, but it will dissipate and not cause any damage to the vehicle.